Our tagline is fueling student success. So we really take a focus on making sure that students have the nutrition they need so that they can be productive in the classroom. Everyone can come get a meal. Over 45,000 students rely on school meals. So we really wanted to make sure we found a way to still offer them the meals they would get at school to take care of those students. If you qualify for free, obviously the meal kit, you would get 5 breakfasts, 5 lunches at no charge for your student. Reduced price then is $367. And then if you don't qualify for either of those, that same meal kit only costs $23.99 for the week. So it's still a great value. And it includes entrees, fruits, juice, milk, vegetable sides. So it's a good quantity of food. It's a nice full meal like they would get at school. And it's items that the parents can then heat up at home so the student can have a nice hot lunch at home. We have worked through My Payments Plus to set up what is essentially a weekly meal kit order. So the parents will log in, and each week, starting on Tuesday through Thursday at noon, they can order the meal kit for the following week. And we really ask them to do that each week so that we really can anticipate how much food to prepare each week. Some of the things we've been hearing from parents are questions like, where can I go get meals? I have a student at elementary, I have 2 students at middle. I don't want to have to go to 2 places to pick up meals. So what we're doing through the My Payments Plus process is we're allowing them to pick up meals at any of the schools in the feeder pattern that their schools are enrolled in. So if the high school is more convenient to their home, they can go pick up at the high school because that's closer to their home and easier, more convenient for the parent. The bottom line is hungry children can't learn. So our role is really to help support those students who need those nutritious meals to achieve in the classroom.